Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Honda Accord EXL. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 117,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city, and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.